The real reason that I love coming to Emek Hebrew Academy is because the people who are here are working at learning Torah. And you have wonderful teachers who are teaching Torah. I just learned for the first time that there are a group of 16 boys that are learning as part of a kollel group that's working at learning Torah. And there are people in our community who help to support all of the Jewish schools where students are learning Torah and teachers are teaching Torah.
A decision was made by Lowell Milken, one of the co-founders of the Milken Family Foundation some 30 years ago, that if we are going to honor teachers, respect teachers, and show them how much we appreciate what they do, then we are going to provide an award for teachers. This year's recipient of the Milken Family Foundation Jewish Educator Award from the Emek Hebrew Academy is none other than Rabbi Moshe Tropper.
From a very young age, I was drawn to education. I grew up in a home of educators, a third-generation educator. Our parents never discussed or encouraged going into education as we grew up. They just led by example. As a matter of fact, my mother was my second-grade teacher, and I was a little bit more advanced than some of the students in the class, and my mother had me support them and mentor them, and I always joke that was my first teaching job. My one dream for my students is greatness. Everyone has greatness in them. Everyone can reach their potential. We just have to help them reveal that.